As long as we each have one.
Okay, sweetheart, I'm getting you some. I'm getting you some.
I'll put up some cheese, that'll distract her.
Okay. Here's some turkey. Here's some turkey.
My turkey.
There you go. There you go. Did you finish your milk? You can drink your milk.
Alright.
It's had in the mouth.
Yeah.
Milk.
Is it funny too much with Tabitha?
Mama.
You need more milk? Okay. I'll get you some more milk.
Had in the mouth. Okay.
Look what I have for you.
Oh, cheese.
Whoa.
You want some cheese, Tabitha?
Do you want some, Tabitha? Should I just go ahead and cut this?
Silly. One piece at a time.
That's the last one.
One piece at a time, you. Hey. Yum. Cheese.
Monkey upstairs.
Yes, the monkey's upstairs. That's right.
Monkey upstairs.
Monkeys upstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Monkey.
Monkey?
Upstairs.
Here, we can just make our sandwiches at the
Oh,
table.
thank you.
Really easy. We have many different varieties of condiments. We also have like
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
ketchup and I don't know anything else you can think of. Just let us know if you want it. And
Okay.